Hi, little leaders. Today we have a very special mission. We are going to become hygiene heroes. Hygiene is just a big word for taking care of our bodies. It means keeping ourselves clean so we can stay strong, healthy, and full of energy to play. When we practice good hygiene, we wash away the tiny germs that make us feel sick. Being a hygiene hero is like having a superpower for your health. We have a worksheet full of pictures and we need to find the hygiene heroes. Today's worksheet of The World Around Us, page 8, is about our personal hygiene. We have discussed the things that keep us healthy and clean earlier. Now look at the worksheet. First picture is of a trash bin. Is a trash bin for washing our face? No, it helps our room to stay clean, but not our body. So we put a cross on it. Look at the second picture, the tub. The girl in the bathtub, splash, splash. Who loves bubble bath? Taking a bath keeps our skin smelling like a flowers. So it helps in our personal hygiene. You will you can color it. Oh, oh, a muddy girl needs a cross. A soap helps us in staying clean, so you can color it. A toilet. Using the toilet properly and flushing is a big part of staying clean, so you can color it. The floss. Look at the floss. It's like a tiny rope that pulls the sugar bugs out from our teeth. Show me your biggest smile. Oh, look, she has a tissue. Instead of using her sleeve or hands, she uses a soft tissue to catch her sneeze and wipe her nose. This is how she keeps germs from jumping onto her friends. Shampoo, tissue, and brush. They help us to stay clean. Have you brushed your teeth today? My little hygiene heroes, you have won the mission of staying clean and bright. So you deserve this Germ Buster sticker. Hooray! See you next time. Bye bye.